Setting up your initial data feed at pristineplanet.com. Products can be added in 3 ways: through your merchant login account, have us load your initial round of products, or using a data feed file. We're going to show you now how to create a data feed file. Pristine Planet is able to use other comparison shopping sites' data feeds. If you already have a comparison shopping data feed such as Google Base, email it to pristineplanet.com at bernie@pristineplanet.com. If you have a Yahoo store and subscribe to the Your Store Wizard service, provide us with a URL to a text version of your data feed and we can automatically keep it updated.
To create a tab-delimited data feed file, open a new Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or another spreadsheet program. Create the following columns: name, description, URL, image URL, price, max, sale, UPC, and SKU.
Let's define these headings. Name refers to the product name. The product name must be unique. If duplicate product names appear in the file, the parser will update the existing product instead of creating a new one. All HTML will be stripped from the field and will not be included. Description refers to the product description. In order for a product to be properly tagged, information must be in the product description. If the product is made in the USA, it has to say so in the product description field. Please review our tag policy. Please be sure to remove all tab and line feed characters. The URL refers to the product web address. It should point to the product page on your site. For better conversion rate, point the URL to a page on your website that has the product description and a buy button. If you have sales tracking software that allows a tracking ID in the URL, please include it in the product URL. Image URL refers to the product image URL. Locate the product image URL on your website. Paste the URL into the image URL field. If the product doesn't have an image, leave the field blank and a default image not available graphic will display. Price refers to the price of the product. A price is required for all products. Price max refers to the maximum price for multiple products on a page. If there are multiple products or price options on a page, please specify the minimum price in the price column and the maximum price in the price max column. Sale tells us whether the product is on sale or not. If the product is on sale, put a Y in the column. If it's not on sale, put an N. Any product marked on sale with a Y must clearly state the original price and the sale price on the merchant's website. UPC refers to the Universal Product Code. If you do not have a UPC code, leave the field empty. Each UPC must be unique. Using the same UPC code for multiple products will update the existing product instead of creating a new one. The SKU refers to the stock keeping unit. If you do not have a SKU code, leave the field empty. Each row in the spreadsheet must have a unique SKU. Using the same SKU code for multiple products will update the existing product instead of creating a new one.
Let's start creating a data feed file.
Open your website in another tab or window. Select the name of your product by holding down the left mouse button and dragging the cursor over the name of your product. Once highlighted, click Ctrl+C to copy the title of your product.
Then paste the name of your product in the name column.
Next, we'll do the same for the product description. Highlight the copy, click Ctrl+C.
Come back to your Excel spreadsheet. Click in the description box to select the box, then click up at the top to put in your copy. Click Ctrl+V to paste the copy you copied. Click outside of the box to see the copy fill the description cell.
We'll do the same for the product URL. To get the product image URL from your site, when using Chrome, right-click on the image and click Copy Image URL. To get the image URL in Internet Explorer, right-click on the image, click on Properties, highlight the image URL, copy the image using Ctrl+C on the keyboard. On Firefox Mozilla, right-click on the image and click Copy Image Location. In Safari, right-click on the image and click Copy Image Address. Click in the image URL cell. Click Ctrl+V to paste the image URL. The image URL should end in JPG, GIF, or PNG.
Enter the price of the item. And if your product has more than one product on the page, put in the max price as well. If your item is on sale, put in a Y. Ours is not, so we'll put in an N. If you have a UPC code, please include that as well, and also include the SKU. When you've entered all of the information, click on File, Save As, an Excel worksheet. Type in the name as Pristine Planet and click Save. Then email that file to Bernie@pristineplanet.com. Now that you've created a data feed of your products for your initial upload, let's talk about how to edit products that have already been uploaded. On the data feed page, you'll find a form to request a data feed from us of all of your products listed on Pristine Planet. In the request, you can choose to have the products in order by name, price, sale, SKU, or UPC. You can also choose to have all active products, only products without a tag, or all of the products no matter what their status. Submit your request below, and once you receive the file, you can easily edit existing items, remove products, and add new ones. After your edits are complete, just return the file as an email attachment to Bernie@pristineplanet.com, and we'll update your products. To edit, update any field in the spreadsheet that have changed. To pause a product, remove the product from the file. The system will pause the item, and it can be reactivated via the merchant login or by adding an item back into the data feed file at a later time. Once a product is paused, it will no longer appear on Pristine Planet. To add a product or create a new product, you can create a new line for each product and define each column accordingly. Product deletion cannot be done through the data feed file. All products must be deleted in Edit Products link.